Hello everybody. So we have here the Cerwin Vega E310 with, of course, the suspension around needs to be replaced like every other speaker. We already had the kit purchased it. It's a much better quality. We pay $25, I think. It came with the glue and some center parts, but we're not gonna change it today. So we're gonna help you and teach you how to replace it without the damage to the speaker itself, and also to do a very good job. This is very good speakers. It still costs outside something around $200, so it worth the fix the speakers in very good shape. So first we're gonna take the speakers out. Just make sure and pay attention you're not going to damage the screws with the screwdriver or something. You need a special one. Also, when we already removed one, we were very lucky that the piece around the speaker came off very easy. We also gonna have to clean this piece very good. See, so we have good results with the glue and everything. We need to remove this. This is very old, crispy. The speakers were in the garage in the heat and cold, so we need to replace, clean very good these surrounded pieces. We can always use alcohol to clean these surroundings. It won't damage the speaker. It's very good to use it, so it's safe. So make sure you clean the whole old part, the suspension, very good before you start the old one.